Welcome back, Daydreamer, and today's episode, I have some really exciting news, and we're back in constructing and modifying the G-Gundam.
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
So I've had some technical issues with this build, or at least in the files. I lost some of the files, and that was just basically due to a computer being hit with a brownout, which is kind of like a minimal power outage, if you've never heard of that, where the lights will flicker because the electricity is trying to go out, but it doesn't really happen. That was enough to kill my computer, so I'm not 100% on how to fix that yet. I did try to get a dock for the hard drives and retrieve some of that information, some of those videos that I had already downloaded, and it didn't work. So, we're just going to continue on, make the best of it. So in today's episode, we're going to go ahead and do some more modifications on this G-Gundam and get it ready for prime and paint and final build. Stay tuned to the end of this episode and you'll find out who the winner of my 200 sub giveaway is. Let's get into it. Let's try adding in some other kit pieces like these that I got off of a Chinese knockoff Curios kit that actually sucked a lot. So I've been kind of cannibalizing that kit to do other things. So let's do that. Gun's going. Oh yeah, that's better. That's better. Is in place. I think that's much better. I would rather do that to the front than have something else in the back. Personal choice. Also, here's a trick. Whenever your files get super dusty, always carry a toothbrush. Because they may never be good as new, but a toothbrush is your friend. Also, if you guys see this wire right here, a little Christmassy kind of thing because it's green and red. Hey guys, I forgot to mention that the wire I'm using here is actually called magnet wire, and it is very, very thin and very easy to go through a lot of the different joints and the small areas on these gunpla kits. I got mine from Evan Designs, not sponsored, but it runs through the back leg, around the hip joint, into the body. I don't know if you can see right there. In the shadow there inside the body cavity, right there, that little line that runs into the head. You can see a little bit of the wiring poking out right there, just a little bit. And this is to light the eyes. Yeah. So I'll probably try to back putty a little bit underneath this, because if you can see, there's a little bit of shining down underneath the skull, the helmet at least. And then I also have the hand wired. The burning hand is wired as well. You can see that wire coming right through there and then back into this port, and then that will go into the body. Whew. That's it. Very hard to see on camera. Off, on, off, on. Very hard to see on camera. I'm going to try to maybe matte coat the hand so that possibly the light will stay in. It won't just diffuse out. I don't know. I'm going to try a couple of things with that and try to make sure that works really well. So I've got those done. What I've also done is added from my trash, and it's not a crab kit, it's a trash kit from China. Added some pieces here and here on the backpack. So that's done. I've also filled in gaps on the feet and where we originally did our really crappy scrabbing job on these side skirts. Then I've also added on some knee pads. I've cut out the vents on the side, and I'm going to be adding in this metal screening to the inside there to give it a little something extra right there. I might do a little bit more work to this. May go ahead and clean everything up really well, put everything back together for a final assembly before getting into some paint. But I think that's going to do it for right now. So that's kind of where we're going to stop right now, because the next step is really going to be moving on to priming this kit and painting. And so that will be the next step, and then let's just go ahead and do a diorama for this bad boy. Make it the whole thing. I already have the small figure that came with the kit painted, so you can catch those pictures on Instagram. If you're not following me there yet, fix that about your life. It is at ragtag_daydreams. And I've got a lot of pictures on there, lots of cool things. I'm also a member of a group there, the Casual Grade Builders, so check them out too. It's CG Builders. So in the next episode, we will be going through some priming and painting on this kit, and then we'll move right into a diorama next. So stay tuned to this G-Gundam series. Now for the announcement that I think everybody's interested in. The winner of the Mark II Titans Real Grade Kit is, and I'm probably going to completely butcher this name, so Cardage Bengston. So I'll be getting in touch with you soon. I hope you're watching this video. I'll be getting in touch with you soon to arrange how I'm supposed to get this to you and where I'm mailing this off to. So congratulations! It was really fun being able to interact with all of you and kind of get an idea for everybody who commented on that last giveaway video. Just knowing where everybody else comes from and what got you into this whole hobby, or even just being interested in Gundams and Gunpla. I don't know. I really, really enjoyed it. I hope that you guys enjoy being able to speak to somebody that also really enjoyed the same hobby that you do and likes Gunpla. I very, very much enjoyed all of the comments, and thank you everyone for all of your support. If you're new here, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, any and all that stuff. One of those things, nothing. It doesn't matter. The fact that you're watching this video, I appreciate it very much. But if you want to see other things like me build kits like the G-Gundam and modify those, or do any kind of custom painting or other work, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I do post videos like this one. Until next time, Daydreamer, I'm Justin, your Ragtag Daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.